So hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is the difference between an order block and a change of character. I always give a shout out to my coach for guiding me through this whole process. Yeah, I always thank him for it before I start to teach you guys about ICT and SMC. Now, an order block is a form of order, price order, that markets come into and take order before market moves in its direction, either in an uptrend or a downtrend. Now we have markets moving as higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. This is for a what? A bullish momentum. Majority of the time, the last candle here, which is a candle that would have been formed like this, the last candle here, the last bearish candle, because there was a retracement, a break of structure, the last bearish candle before the impulse move, that's the break of structure up here, is what we signal as what? Our order block. Our order block has criteria which involve the last bearish candle or bullish candle, a fair value gap, and what? A break of structure. You can see it, right? So the last candle before the break of structure is what we signal as our order block. The same thing as a bearish momentum: lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? The last candle before the impulse move, that is the bearish candle before this impulse move for a break of structure, that is what we signal as what? As our order block for what? A bearish momentum. For a change of character, market moves higher high, higher low. For a bullish momentum, higher high, creating a break of structure, higher low, higher high, creating a break of structure, and the swing low has to get broken. This is what we know as a change of character. The moment the low has been broken, we signal that market has changed trend or shifted trend. That is what a change of character is. Now, how do you know this on the chart? If you can see on the chart here, let me find a good example for you. On the chart here, you can see here on the chart, there is a swing point here and there was a break of structure. What do you see here? You see what? The last candle, the last bullish candle before the what? Impulse move for a sell momentum. You mark it out as what? As your break of as your order block. Can you see that? This is an order block. The last candle before the impulse move. Go around the chart. Market didn't come to the order block here, but it reacted around mitigation block. I'm trying to find you a good example for an order block mitigation here. Okay, I'm trying to find you a valid order block. Now you can see what happened here. There was a break of structure here from this swing point down here. Market broke structure here. And what do we have here? The last bearish candle during a bullish momentum for an upside. The last bearish candle, market came into the order block. And what do you see? Market came into the order block and reacted upwards. So this is how we know our order block. For our change of character, they have to be what? They have to be a break of structure inside here. You can see there's a swing point here. Market would have created a break of structure inside here, but market was shifted structure after the break of structure, came in down here, and you can see there was a shift in market structure around here, and they got the entry. The market came back and took its entry from the fair value gap. Let me show you the beautiful break of structure again. This is a break of structure here. You use the swing point here, from here to here was a break of structure. And what do you see here? Based on the diagram, there was a change of character here. And what do you see? Markets came down. This is an order block here after the break of structure. Markets came down and mitigated the order block and continued in this direction, signaling that the whole trend of the market has officially changed. So if you go around your chart and practice it, you would know the difference between an order block and what? Change of character. This is a break of structure first, must take place first for a change of character to take place. The market shifted structure. What happened? Shift of market structure. Can you see it here? And what can you see? This tiny fair value gap, the closest fair value gap, market came into the closest fair value after the change of character around here, and what impulse move upwards. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Do not forget to subscribe on my channel. Ask your question on the comment section, and I'll be very excited to answer all your questions. Thank you very much.
Cook that thing. Me not feel like you're an angel in a demon.